Hello everyone, welcome to Study Time. In this video, we are going to see Class 4 EVS Chapter 24, Home and Abroad. So, we are going to see both home and abroad in this chapter. Today, there was a lot of activity at Malu's house. Chittappan and his family were coming home after 5 years. So, Chittappan meaning is father's brother, younger brother. 5 years ago, Chittappan had got a job in the capital city of United Arab Emirates. So it is called as UAE, called Abu Dhabi. Since then, he lived there. Malu and her appa went to the airport to receive them. After the plane landed, the passengers had to wait for some time to collect their luggage. At last, Chittappan, Kunjamma and their two children could be seen coming out. How big Shanta and Shanti has grown, Appa said. Soon the many suitcases and bags were fitted into the taxi and everyone was on the way to Malu's house. Shanta, you must be very tired after your long journey. Appa told me that Abu Dhabi is far from India, said Malu. So they have travelled from UAE to India. So that is a very long journey. They would have become very tired. We are not tired. Even though it is far, our flight took only 2 hours, said Shanta. The plane flies very fast. Malu was surprised. She remembered that when she had gone on a school trip to Chennai, they had spent almost 12 hours in the train. And on the map, Kochi and Chennai seemed quite near. Malu, Shanta and Sashi chatted all the way home from the airport. Malu remembered how much fun she had on her school trips. She wanted Shanta to tell them all about her trip from Abu Dhabi. So they were traveling from airport to their home. Dust all round. Did you see many interesting things from the plane? So this was asked by Malu. Most of the time we saw only clouds because the plane was flying so high, even higher than the clouds, said Shanta. So this is the scenery you can see from the plane. But before it went so high, we could see that they were flying over sandy areas. It was sand, but the color of the sand kept changing. White, brown, yellow, red, black. We saw mountains made only of sand. They are called sand dunes, added Sashi. I have seen sand only at the seashore, said Malu. Then you should come to visit us, said Chittappan. So they were discussing during the journey. The countries around Abu Dhabi are located in a desert area. Even if one drives a little away from the city, one can see miles and miles of sand. No trees, no greenery, just sand. I used to dream of the thick greenery and cool water around our home in Kerala, said Kunjamma. I am so happy to see all this after such a long time. So this is a scenery in Kerala. So they were comparing their home and abroad. The children have almost forgotten how it feels when it rains. You know, it almost never rains in desert areas, said Chittappan. Water is really very precious over there. No rain, no rivers, no lakes, no ponds. So this is very they think that they assume that water is very precious, so it is precious in that places. Even below the ground there is no water, but added Sushi, there is a lot of oil under the sandy soil. So petrol is easily available in those countries. In fact, petrol is cheaper than water, said Chittappan. So in those areas water are very precious, but petrol is cheaper when compared to water in those areas. By this time, the taxi has reached Malu's house. Shanta and Shashi were surprised to see so many fruit trees, coconuts, bananas, jackfruit, papaya, betel nuts, so many kind of trees. Shashi said, we used to see only one kind of tree there, the date palms. So this is date palms, you can see here, because it is the only one that can grow in the desert. The date is the most common fruit in those places. Nice gift and photographs. After they had met everyone, Kunjama unpacked their bags. They had brought gifts for everyone. They gave dates for everyone to eat. The dates were very sweet and tasty. Shashi showed Malu some notes and coins. Shanta explained that the money they used in Abu Dhabi was different and was called dirham. It had some writings in their local language, Arabic. They also showed many photographs of the place where they lived. So the money they use there is dirham. So it has some writings in their local language, Arabic. Chittappan gave Malu a globe. So this is a globe you can see in the picture. He said, Malu, why don't you locate Abu Dhabi on this? Locate Kerala also. The children enjoyed playing with the globe and looking for different places on the globe. Malu found Chennai and Kochi also. So in the evening, everyone sat in the veranda enjoying the breeze and looking at the photographs. They saw that in Abu Dhabi, the buildings were tall with many stories and big glass windows. Malu said, you must be getting nice cool breeze through the big windows. Chittappan said, we cannot open the windows because of the heat. It is air conditioned inside, where everyone stays. As the weather is very hot, they cannot open the windows and doors. People wear loose cotton clothes and keep themselves fully covered. Even the head is covered. This protects them from the strong sun. So this is how they dress in Abu Dhabi. Malu enjoyed looking at the pictures and finding out about the other country from her cousins. She constantly kept comparing her city with the things that they described about Abu Dhabi. She decided that she would make a project report about Abu Dhabi for her class. So discuss and write. You can also make a small report comparing Abu Dhabi with the place where you live. You can also use some of these points mentioned below while writing the report. You can also draw pictures and put photographs. So you can compare the climate and weather, what people wear, what language they speak, about the sceneries around, about the kind of buildings, about the traffics, about the food items, language. So you can compare and write a small report. So this is how you can write. So this is a comparison of Abu Dhabi and Kerala. You can compare Abu Dhabi and Delhi. You can compare Abu Dhabi and Chennai. So what point main is climate, trees and kinds of buildings, traffics and food items, language. So these are the main points you can compare in your own way. Why do you think many trees cannot grow in desert areas? Because of scarcity of water. Do you know, do you have any relatives who live in other country? Yes, one of my uncles live in the UK, or you can write where your relatives live. How long have they lived there? He has been living there for 10 years or 20 years, you can write. Did they go there for studies or for work? Was there any other reason? Initially, he went there for studies. After studies, he is doing a job there. Next, look at these currency notes. Write the value of each note in the box near its picture. So you can easily find this is 5 rupees, 10 rupees, 100 rupees and 500 rupees. Next, to which country does this currency belong? So these notes belong to India. How did you know? Because Reserve Bank of India is written on the note. Whose picture can you see on the notes? Mahatma Gandhi. Can you find any number on the notes other than the value? It is the serial number of the notes. So no, you would have seen some numbers. So those are serial number. Do you think that two notes can have the same number? No, two notes of the same denomination cannot have the same number. Take a 10 rupee note and observe it carefully. How many languages can you see on the note? So there are totally 15 languages in the Indian note. Write the name of the bank given on the note. It is Reserve Bank of India. So match the coins. How many of these coins do you recognize? So you can recognize all coins, is it? So this is 5 rupees, this is 1 rupee, this is 1 rupee, this is 50 pice, this is 1 rupee, this is 50 pice, this is 2 rupee, this is 5 rupee. So easy, isn't it? What is written on each coin other than the value? So India is written on each coin other than the value. So you can see Bharat, you can also see the year 2000. So here you can see 2017. Next, look at these notes. Do they all belong to India? Put a circle around notes that are not Indian. So easily you can find out. So these are Indian. These are Indian currencies. Other than those three, you can mark a circle which are not Indian currencies. Which country do they belong to? Here few currencies are given. You're going to find out the country which they belong to. So here it is England, India, England, USA, Oman. So this is Indian currency. This is China. This is China. This is China. This is Oman. This is China. This is England. This is India. So this chapter ends here. Hope this video is useful and understanding. You would have learned more about Abu Dhabi, and that is abroad, and our home. So you would have compared the abroad foreign countries with your hometown. Hope this video is useful and understanding. Thanks for watching.